Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer, bringing you a product video. What we're looking at here is our Luxe Luxury Toy Hauler. This is a 45 FB with a 10-foot garage. Now I'm going to show you around some of the features, show you the inside, some of the different things that we've done with this floor plan that makes it different, and some of the things that people are asking for. Can you get us more space in a toy hauler and still have the garage? The answer is yes. So let's take a look. From the front, we're going to just start at the front and kind of work our way back, go inside, show you some of the features inside. Of course, just like any of our Elite, our Gold line, the construction is going to be the same any way you look at it. Walls are the same, 3-inch walls with that graphite closed cell infused insulation. It's a welded caged aluminum structure all the way around. The floor is a welded cage, walls are welded cage. You got trusses that are all welded and 16 on center on the roof. It's a completely walkable roof. So what we got here is it's a solid one-piece front cap fiberglass. It is fully insulated. Not every RV out there has a fully insulated front and rear cap. What we've done is we're putting a radiant barrier down. You've seen some of the other videos on the front cap. We're putting a radiant barrier down. We're gluing it to that interior wall. Then we're putting 2 layers of the batting insulation. We're also, on top of that, we're putting a layer of the waterproof Darko. And what it does, it runs from the top of the roof and it runs down so far. What that does is that as you're driving down the road, you've got that wind beating against that front cap. That water's not going to flood the interior. It's going to roll down that waterproof barrier right over the front and down. So that's what we do to the front cap. Now, standard comes our MORryde hitch pin. This has got bushings inside that helps with that pulling and chucking motion that you would get. It really stabilizes the ride. So coming along down here, this one is an open unit. It's ready for sale. It does have a gas generator in it. It's an Onan 7000 gas generator. Now another thing what we've done with this generator prep is up here we're putting a stabilizing bar. A lot of these generator prep cages here collapse after time, after setting things up here. What we're doing is we're putting an extra stabilizing bar up there to keep that nice and sturdy. We've really organized all of the up front here with the electrical areas, your shutoffs, the hydraulics for the jacks are nice, color coded. See, all of this stuff is coded and color marked so that you can get the proper line. If something happens, service can get to that very quickly. They're going to know by the color coding. This one also comes with a surge guard protection. It's going to protect any kind of surges and things that go into your electrical system. Let's take a walk around here. Now, something Deb Smucker loves to do, and I'm going to do for you, is we've got a really substantial exterior passageway doors. These are not just any rinky-dink. They're nice, solid, insulated. So what you get when you close that is a really nice, solid passageway doors. And all of our doors are like that. Any door that you see, you're going to see nice, substantial. These aren't some things that wobble some of the RVs that you have, they're so thin that it's amazing that they even stand up to 1 or 2 openings. Both sides, you've got LP tanks. These are 40 gallons. So you get 40 gallon on one side and 40 gallon on the other side. This one also comes, this is a security system, backup camera system. You're going to get a view all the way around your coach. The sides, the door, the rear. This one also has the Arctic package. You'll notice 2 heaters right here. Also has an on-demand Truma hot water heater. So you're going to get on-demand hot water. Really has some good reviews on these Truma hot water heaters. There's your wet bay, your water bay. You're going to have your black and gray valves right there, protected from the elements. Also an outside shower. This is one thing really unique about us. We're going to put access doors in your basement area so that you can get to some of the pertinent things that you need to get to, like your water filter. Notice all of your PEX lines, your water lines, are protected, insulated. This is what happens when you get the Arctic package. Very nice and neatly organized. There's not going to be any freezing with these insulated like this. So we're talking about all-weather, an all-weather coach. Let's take a look. Beautiful paint job. You've heard in the past about our paint jobs. We're an automotive style paint job. So what you get is you get 2 coats of clear, and that's wet sanded in between both of those clear coats. Let's take a look around here. Talk a little bit about our tires and our suspension. This one here is coming, this is actually a MORryde suspension. MORryde suspension has one of the largest up and down movements out of any independent suspension out there for an RV. You're going to get 5 inches of up and down movement. So going over potholes, going on the roads today, you're going to get a nice smooth ride. We're using H-rated tires. These are nitro filled 17.5 tires. Very nice, very high-end tire for an RV. This one also has an automatic retractable, your 50 amp cord. We're putting locks on all of our gas fills. So you got a 40-gallon tank for your toys, and you got a 20-gallon tank for your generator. And also, there's your fill station. Ladder, roof ladder. Our ramp doors, we've come a long way with our ramp doors. These are like zero gravity ramp doors. You can take just a couple fingers and lift and lower this ramp door. It's an electric, as you open and close this, there is an electric cinch that really cinches that tight up at the top. So it's just a matter of just getting this door closed enough to grab that cinch lock, and it'll seal it right up. You got the nice solid step on both doors with the push button lock. Great feature to have. Also has a remote with that, so you can open and close. This has got the window silks on it. That gives you a little bit of UV protection. It also is very private. So it's very difficult to see inside, but you can easily see outside. So those, and they carry on that beautiful paint design. Let's take a look inside. A little mention of the Jensen Bluetooth stereo, and you're going to have those outside marine style speakers. There is your camera above the door. Step inside here. Now you're going to see that space that we've taken. We're actually adding 4 more feet to this living area. We're taking 4 feet out of that garage. This would be essentially, it's essentially the same frame as our 44 FB, but we've taken 4 feet out of that garage area, still giving you a 10-foot garage. You can still put a motorcycle in there. You can put kayaks in there, a number of things, bicycles, skis, all kinds of different things in a 10-foot garage. You can still put in there. But your living area, some people are really asking, can you give me some more living area? Well, here it is. We're giving you 4 more feet, and it's a very nice style, laid out very well. You got a very nice dinette over here. This does actually pull out, and it actually will seat 4 people around there. We've done it. We've shown you on the video. So you got some very nice. Look at the size of this peninsula. Beautiful. Residential LG refrigerator, LG convection microwave. You got a Furrion style stove. Very nice and appealing modern look. You've got this beautiful, this is a real backsplash, just like you'd have in your home. Take a look at this. Nice full-size couch. That is a hide-a-bed. Pull out. Nice sleeping area there. This is a kind of a love seat, but it does recline. Got a fireplace. That is a televator. So you've got a lot of window space that you can lower that televator, and there's a window behind it. Let's spin around here. You got a window right here, and you've got lots of windows right over in there. Still a lot of cabinet space. Now these cabinets are pretty unusual in this industry. You're looking at maple hardwood everywhere. Maple hardwood, that's all hardwood, all the way around, the trim, everything. Of course, we've always shown you our drawers. Look at that pantry. Drawers all the way down. This is soft close. This is dovetail. This is maple hardwood inside and out. Let's close the door. Just like this. Beautiful, beautiful cabinetry work. Soft close. Flooring. This is hand-laid flooring, Shaw flooring. If you happen to get a scratch in it, we're going to supply you with a batch of this. This is good stuff. And you don't have to replace the whole section if something gets scratched. You can just take a section out, bam, replace it. This is a vacuum sealed door. You've got this seal all the way around this door to vacuum seal out any fumes that might be into the garage area. So you got that rubber diamond plate all around the garage area. There's a number of things you can do. We're calling this a flex space garage just because there's so many things you can do in this area. You don't have to use it as a garage. You can use it as a residential area. Another bedroom. This one comes equipped with the bunk system. Now this is a twin size bunk system. With our larger garages, you get a full size bunk system. Still going to get the loft in this 10-foot garage. So even though this garage is smaller than the rest of our floor plans, you still get a lot of sleeping area back here. TV, sound system. Got another cabinet area here, part of the sound system in there. Let's take you up. One of the minor upgrades that we've done is we've put these grates. I'll show you. These are steel stamped, really nice design grates that we've replaced. We just keep updating. Here's another update that we've done, especially in our toy hauler. We've got that barn style door, really a nice space saver, so you're not trying to weasel your way around an open door. It just slides very nicely. I'll show you. A very nice, solid, this is a solid core door. It's no hollow doors at all. Solid core all the way around. Nice bathroom area. You got your choice, a couple different styles and colors in the shower area. Same with the backsplashes and the countertops. All solid surface. Very nice. Very nice. Take you on to the bedroom. Bedrooms, you've got the option, this is a king size bed. You've got the option for a queen, which will give you larger cabinetry and more walking space around. But even with a king size bed, you still have a lot of space to walk around, make your bed more, it makes it more comfortable like that. Lots of cabinet space in this bedroom. Huge wardrobe areas. Look at that. We take advantage of that front cap. More drawers down there. What's nice about this, you have the option of putting the washer and dryer in the bedroom area, or you can move it back to the garage. We'll accommodate you either way. Nice hidden cabinet door there for your pull-out TV. Very nice. So hey, let us know what you think. Give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com, and you can take a look on our website for this exact unit. You're going to look for the Luxe Toy Hauler 45 FB. You can get some more details, photos, price. Give us a call. If you want this unit, it's available now, ready to go. So hey, have an excellent day.